Good morning, everybody. This is Max Farrow. This is dexfxcopy.com. Today is February 22nd, 2018, and this is your daily update. All right, let's get started. Now, listen, I'm always transparent. I'm always showing you what's the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it, okay? So I want you to see that the Max Prime yesterday, if you started with the Max Prime yesterday, you're probably seeing some big hits come over. But again, only in 15 pimp increments, you know, little tiny losses, but it was really directed and focused around the JPY. Very, very frustrating. You know, we get good successes with the JPY, and sometimes we get the big runs with JPY. Why? Well, because if you have the JPY and you have some really crazy news that comes out or something that happens, and it gets tricked into trading and then reversing, that's where we're sort of sitting at, right? When we have a lot of one asset on board. I may be looking at that in future references for having a news bot or a news avoidance system kick in when there's a heavy news. I'm just not sure yet. I'm still trying to assess whether or not we should have that at all. We're still up for the month. We still have 351 pips for the month that we're doing really good on. Remember, moving the dot, if you're just starting out, your job is to get the consistency. And that's what we're getting to. We're in constant climbing and trend building here, okay? We're in an upward trend. That's right. We're our peak right there at 1.4% growth to 1.46% growth. This one's a little bit higher, which means that we're still climbing with higher highs. May not be very much of a higher high. Okay, it might be only 0.6, but still higher, right? Because even if we have another down day, we're going to be coming back up like this, right? This is what's been proven with the system now, not only here in this forward test, in this actual live test, but in our forward tests from before, as well as all of our back tests. You do get a drop. Now, with the Max Prime system, this one's a little bit unusual because we have short term with the Grinch, long term with the Vader, okay, medium term with the Odin. Now, with the Odin, I stopped taking on trades with it. I have the USD CAD now adding into the from the Vader package. And why do I have that coming in? I'll show you here in just a second. Boom, right here under the summary. Here's, look at the summary. Look at this. This is beautiful. 94%, 432 pips. That's crazy. That is crazy amount of numbers. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Why? Because 16 trades with 432 divided by 16. It's 27 pips a trade. That is sick, right? So this one's on. We're not going to worry about anything else. You know, if we run the Vader forever just to get to this information, this is huge, right? I don't care about all this other stuff. I'm looking for the diamond in the rough. And guess what, folks? This is not diamond. This is like platinum diamond, encrusted in gold, surrounded by rubies. No other asset on anything else that we do does these kind of numbers. And it's not some sort of unicorn either. This is trading just about every day, right? It's about trading. There's the 22nd. There's the 21st. There's the 16th from last week. You see? So there's the 15th from last week. And look, boom, 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 boom. So you're getting a trade a day. So even if we just traded everything down, just the USD CAD from the Vader, you're doing 27 pips a day. Move the dot, right? How much money are you making? All right, so we're going to get going. I appreciate everybody's time. Appreciate your patience. Remember, this is slow and methodical. We're going to have losing days. We're going to have lots of winning days. When we have a losing day, don't fret. Don't back down. Stay strong with it. I'm here to protect the accounts as well, because if you're not making money, neither am I. Okay? All right. I'm Max. This is dexfx.com. Listen, if you're watching this and you're wondering whether you should get in or not, now's the time. Prices are going up in the end of the weekend because the systems are doing so well. Even if we have a losing day, all the bugs have been worked out of the system, and all the networks and the solutions are working and firing off extremely well. Don't be that person that wishes you would have gotten in when it was $175 instead of $250, which it has to go to soon. Okay? All right. I'm Max Farrell. This is dexfxcopy.com, and we look forward to seeing you inside. And as always, trade well.